Now we'll do a tour with the light on. That's that blue boat there. It's a 6.4 metre. That's just like a fishing boat. It's going to be a centre console. Then we got there's a work boat here. This one's not taken yet. This one's still available. That's a WB 7400. That's already just needs the motors. Everything else done on that one. And we've got another one here. This is a 5900. This one's already sold. The boys are going to be putting the motors on this one today, I believe. We should be getting, yeah, they're just fitting up the pods now. And we've got another 5900 here. This one's waiting for its acid wash and then paint. This blue one behind it, it's a boat that I'm going to send into Queensland for myself. I want this one. Something quite good for a drop down ramp on it and everything. That's a 12 metre ferry in the background waiting for some paint and some seats. It's a 10 metre cat in the jig there. Then we've got another WB 5900 down here. That's in the jig. I think it's all, it just needs full welding now. That's all tacked together, ready to go. So, yeah, now that's just waiting on full weld. That'll be another probably 2 days, 3 at the most before that's finished. There's all the components for it. That's the console and the fuel tank, and that's the front deck for the bow. Another fuel tank there. Factory very quiet today. And this is the, okay, that's the ramp and everything for this one. It all looks good.